video we will discuss about the beta function. We know beta q and p is equal to gamma of p gamma of q over gamma p plus q. We know from the definition of the Euler gamma function is gamma function is gamma of z is equal to 0 to infinity exponent minus t square t 2z minus 1 dt. So equation 1 become gamma of p gamma of q is equal to 4 0 to infinity t 2q minus 1 exponent minus t square dt limit integral 0 to infinity s 2p minus 1 exponent minus s square ds. Now consider let r square is equal to t square plus s square and s is equal to r cos theta, t is equal to r sin theta. So equation 2 become and equation 2 become gamma of p gamma of q is equal to 4 limit 0 to infinity exponent minus r square r raised to power 2 p plus 2q minus 1 dr and limit 0 to pi by 2 cos 2p a minus 1 of theta sin raised to power 2q minus 1 of theta d theta. Again from this term is equal to 2 gamma of p plus q integral 0 से pi by 2 cos raised to power 2p minus 1 of theta sin 2 raised to power 2q minus 1 of theta d theta. So now we take this term to left hand side, so this become gamma of p gamma of q over gamma p plus q is equal to 0 integral 0 to pi by 2 cos raised to power 2p minus 1 of theta sin raised to power 2q minus 1 of theta d theta, and this term is equal to beta p and q. Now replace p is equal to m plus 1 and q is equal to n plus 1. So equation A become beta of m plus 1 and n plus 1 is equal to gamma m plus 1 gamma n plus 1 over gamma m plus n plus 2, which is equal to 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 cos 2p cos raised to power 2 m plus 1 of theta sin raised to power 2 n plus 1 of theta d theta. This is equation B. Again replace t is equal to cos square theta and cos theta is equal to square root t, and dt is equal to minus 2 sin theta cos theta d theta, and d theta is equal to minus 2, and d theta is equal to dt over minus 2 sin theta cos theta. We know sin theta is equal to square root 1 minus cos square theta. So this becomes square root 1 minus t. So equation B become beta m plus 1 n plus 1 is equal to 2 when we put theta is equal to 0, t is equal to 1, and when we put theta is equal to pi by 2, t is equal to 0. So integral become 1 to 0 square root t raised to power 2 m plus 1 minus t square root raised to power 2 n plus 1 minus dt over 2 square root t square root 1 minus t. So this become 2 0 to infinity square root t raised to power 2 m plus 1 square root 1 minus t raised to power 2 n plus 1 dt over square root t square root 1 minus t. So this term become 2 integral 0 to 1 t raised to power m 1 minus t raised to power n dt. This is equation number C. Sorry, this 2 and this 2 cancel out. So this become beta of m plus 1 n plus 1 is equal to integral 0 to 1 t raised to power m 1 minus t raised to power n dt, which is equation C. Again replace t is equal to cos square theta in equation A, which is beta of p and q is equal to, so this become 2 integral 1 to 0 square root t raised to power 2 p minus 1 minus square root 1 minus t raised to power 2 q minus 1 dt over minus 2 square root t square root 1 minus t, and this 2 and this 2 cancel out, and this become 0 to 1 t raised to power 2 p minus 1 1 minus t raised to power q minus 1 dt, which is equation D. Now again replace t is equal to x square in equation C. So equation C become beta m plus 1 n plus 1 is equal to integral 0 to 1 x raised to power 2m 1 minus x square raised to power n, and dt is equal to 2x dx. So this become 2x dx. So this term become 0 to 1 x raised to power 2m plus 1 1 minus x square raised to power n dx and multiplied by 2. Again replace t is equal to u over 1 plus u in equation C. So this become beta m plus 1 n plus 1 is equal to 0 to 1 t raised to power m 1 minus t raised to power n dt. So this become dt is equal to du over 1 plus u raised to power 2, and t is equal to u over 1 plus u, and 1 over t is equal to 1 plus u over u, which is equal to 1 plus 1 over u. When t is equal to 0, u become 1 plus 1 over u. 1 over 0 is equal to infinity, and infinity is equal to 1 over u, and u become 0. When t is equal to 1, then this term become 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 over u, and 0 is equal to 1 over u, and u is equal to infinity. So this term become beta m plus 1 n plus 1 is equal to 0 to infinity, and t is equal to u 1 plus u raised to power m, and 1 minus u over 1 plus u 1 minus u over 1 plus u raised to power n, and dt is equal to du over 1 plus u raised to power 2. So this term becomes 0 integral 0 to infinity u of m du over 1 plus u raised to power m plus n plus 2, which is equation number E. Now we will discuss about Legendre duplication formula. We know beta p plus 1 q plus 1 is equal to 0 to 1 t raised to power p 1 minus t raised to power q dt. Now put p is equal to z minus 1 by 2 and q is equal to z minus 1 by 2 in equation 1. So this become beta z minus 1 by 2 plus 1 q minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 0 to 1 t z minus 1 by 2 1 minus t raised to power z minus 1 by 2 dt, and this term is equal to beta z plus 1 by 2 sorry z plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0 to 1 t z minus 1 by 2 1 minus t raised to power z minus 1 by 2 dt. Again replace t is equal to 1 plus s over 2 and dt is equal to ds over 2. So question 2 become beta z plus 1 by 2 and z plus 1 by 2 is equal to, when we put t is equal to 0, s is equal to minus 1, and when t is equal to 1, s is equal to 1. So this becomes minus 1 to 1 1 plus s over 2 raised to power z minus 1 by 2 1 minus 1 plus s over 2 raised to power z minus 1 by 2 ds over 2, and this term become integral minus 1 to 1 1 plus s over 2 raised to power z minus 1 by 2 1 minus s over 2 raised to power z minus 1 by 2 ds over 2. We know 1 minus s 1 plus s is equal to 1 minus s square. So this becomes minus 1 to 1 1 minus s square raised to power z minus 1 by 2 and 2 z minus 1 by and 2 raised to power minus 2 z ds. We know beta p and q is equal to gamma of p gamma of q over gamma of q plus p. So left hand side become gamma of z plus 1 by 2 gamma of z plus 1 by 2 over gamma z plus 1 by 2 plus z plus 1 by 2, which is equal to, and we now minus infinity to infinity dx is equal to 2 z integral 0 to infinity dx. So this term become 2 0 to 1 1 minus s square raised to power z minus 1 by 2 and 2 raised to power minus 2z ds. which is equation number 3. We know beta p plus 1 q plus 1 is equal to 2 0 to 1 x raised to power 2p plus 1 1 minus x square q dx. Now replace p is equal to minus 1 by 2 and q is equal to z minus 1 by 2 in equation 4. So this becomes beta minus 1 by 2 plus 1 z minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 integral 0 to 1 x 2 raised to power 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus x square raised to power c minus 1 by 2 dx. So this becomes beta 1 by 2 and z plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 0 to 1 1 minus x square z minus 1 by 2 dx, which is equal to equation number 3. Now equation 5. Now look at equation 5 and equation 3. Now compare equation 3 and 5. This become gamma z plus 1 by 2 gamma z plus 1 by 2 over gamma 2z plus 1 is equal to 2 raised to power minus 2z bit, and this term is equal to beta 1 over 2 and z plus 1 over 2, which is equal to gamma z plus 1 by 2 gamma z plus 1 by 2 over gamma 2z plus 1 is equal to 2 minus 2 raised to power minus 2z. Again we will use beta property, which is gamma 1 by 2 gamma z plus 1 by 2 over gamma z plus 1.